NEET 2018 set HH question number 17. Two wires are made of the same material and have the same volume. The first wire has a cross-sectional area of A and the second wire has a cross-sectional area of 3A. If the length of the first wire is increased by delta L on applying a force F, how much force is needed to stretch the second wire by the same amount? So for wire 1, y is equal to F upon A upon delta X upon L, which is equation number 1. And for wire number 2, F dash, which we have to calculate, upon 3A, since the cross-sectional area of the second wire is given as 3A, upon delta X upon L by 3. So when we divide both of these equations, or whether we equate both of these equations, so we have F upon A and L upon delta X is equal to F dash upon 3A into L upon 3 delta X. So delta X and L and A, all these three terms will get cancelled out and we are left with F dash is equal to 9 of F. Therefore, the correct answer is option number 2.